Hi, this is Scoggett, and this is second part to my Mama's Enchiladas Her Way video, and making cheese enchiladas today. And I'm going to show you how to do this, how my mom did it. And I've already got a bunch of enchiladas already in the pan, and I'll explain that. But I didn't think you wanted to see me do every one of them, so I'm going to do one of them for you and show you how this comes out. Over here we have my pan of oil, and what I'm going to do is take one of these tortillas and put it in the oil. Just like this. Now you don't want it to cook where it gets hard, because that becomes a tostada. You just want it to be pliable. And that's about all you need. And I'll put that right over here. Move this camera. So I've got my tortilla over here and got my cheese. And what I'm going to do is just put the cheese on the inside of the tortilla. Just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and roll the tortilla just like this. And I'm going to put it in the pan. As you can see, I have a bunch of enchiladas already in the pan. What I've done, if I took my enchilada sauce and coated the bottom of it. The reason why I coated the bottom is due to the fact that whenever it bakes, it's not going to stick. Get my enchilada over here, what I rolled. And it's going to go right here, just like this. Simple enough. Just roll the enchiladas and put them in the pan. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm making this ahead of time. In about another couple hours, I'm going to go ahead and bake this. What I'm going to do when I bake it, let me go over here so you can see me. Whenever I bake this, what I'm going to do is put the enchilada sauce on it, put more shredded Longhorn cheese on top, and also put diced onions on top. What I have diced up, I've got them diced right here, and I'm going to put those on top. And then I'm going to bake it in a 350 degree oven until the cheese melts. That's all what I want, is for the cheese to melt. And once that happens, I'll bring it out and the enchiladas are ready. And this way Mama made it, this way I'm making it, and it's all good. Hope you give this a try. Very simple. You can, if you want to put beef in it, ground beef, then that's fine. If you want to put brisket in it, that's fine. It's however you want to make it. I'm just showing you how my mama made it. And when I found the Longhorn cheese, I just, it brought back a fond memory of my mama's enchiladas. And that's what I'm doing today. And I'll have the third part coming up. It will be the finished product. And I'll show you how all this come out. And I tell you what, when you see it, it will be delicious. This is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. And y'all take care.